The family SUV segment is highly competitive, but the 2026 Citroën C5 Aircross carves out its own distinct identity by prioritizing pure comfort. Built on Stellantis' adaptable SDLA medium platform, this redesigned model steps away from the soft-edge styling of the past in favor of a commanding geometric presence. Rather than chasing aggressive, sport-tuned dynamics, it is a proud, anti-stress machine built for relaxed family adventures. Offering petrol hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and fully electric powertrains, it represents a serene, highly practical alternative for modern daily commuting. Furthermore, building the car on a modern global architecture allows for improved structural rigidity and vastly superior space optimization compared to older platforms. This mechanical foundation ensures that despite its taller, more authoritative footprint on the road, the vehicle maintains top-tier noise insulation and vibration control. The acoustic dampening creates what the brand calls a cocoon effect inside the cabin, separating the passengers from the hectic traffic outside. By committing fully to a stress-free environment, the French automaker successfully targets buyers who value daily physical well-being over high-speed cornering metrics. Beyond the immediate driving impressions, this new platform configuration points toward a highly sensible, future-proof long-term ownership experience. By sharing core electronic components, high-voltage battery modules, and electric motors with other flagship family crossovers across the broader automotive group, parts availability remains high while ongoing maintenance complexities stay relatively low. The underlying software architecture also supports seamless over-the-air updates, ensuring the navigation logic, safety protocols, and battery thermal management maps remain optimized for years after rolling off the showroom floor. Exterior design. Citroën has shifted its design language toward a blockier, more mechanical aesthetic for 2026. Moving away from the rounded curves of the previous generation, the new C5 Aircross sports sharp lines and distinct geometric angles. Up front, the imposing grille is flanked by striking matrix LED headlights that give the vehicle a high-tech signature. Along the sides, the SUV offers bold character lines and 18-inch or 19-inch alloy wheels. At the rear, light wings LED taillights add a premium touch, while the squared-off tailgate highlights its practical build. Interior design. Inside, the C5 Aircross embraces the cozy Citroën lounge design philosophy. The dashboard is covered in a couch-style textured fabric that makes the cabin feel like a warm living room. The star attraction is the advanced comfort seating featuring high-density foam and thick padding to prevent fatigue. Thanks to the extended wheelbase of the SDLA medium platform, rear passengers enjoy generous legroom. Practicality is superb, highlighted by a large boot that remains highly competitive across all powertrain variants. Features and technology. Technology is integrated thoughtfully without being overwhelming. A stunning 13-inch vertical waterfall touchscreen dominates the console, handling navigation and media with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For driver convenience, a crisp head-up display projects key metrics directly onto the windshield. Citroën has also integrated a Hello Citroën voice assistant equipped with ChatGPT, allowing you to adjust climate controls easily. Other neat touches include customizable ambient lighting, wireless charging, and fast-charging USB-C ports. Engine performance. The C5 Aircross offers diverse propulsion options to suit different lifestyles. The entry-level model utilizes a 1.2-liter three-cylinder turbo paired with a 48V mild hybrid system, generating 145 horsepower through a 6-speed dual-clutch transmission. For those seeking more electric capability, the plug-in hybrid produces 225 horsepower by pairing a 1.6-liter engine with an electric motor. The showstopper is the all-electric EC5 Aircross Long Range. Powered by a massive 96.9 kilowatt-hour battery, it puts out 231 horsepower and delivers smooth, silent acceleration, handling, and driving comfort. Driving the C5 Aircross is an exercise in pure relaxation. Citroën has bypassed the stiff, sporty suspension setups common in modern crossovers. Instead, It features the brand's legendary progressive hydraulic cushions suspension system. This technology filters out road imperfections, creating a magic carpet ride effect over potholes and speed bumps. While the steering is light and lacks intense feedback, the payoff is unparalleled cabin peace, glided effortlessly at highway speeds. Fuel consumption/energy efficiency. Efficiency is outstanding across the entire range. The mild hybrid 145 horsepower variant can run up to 50% of the time on electricity in city traffic, cutting fuel consumption by 20%. The plug-in hybrid offers a 50-mile pure electric range, allowing owners to complete daily commutes without burning petrol. Meanwhile, the all-electric EC5 Aircross long range boasts an incredible range of up to 421 miles, 680 kilometers. The electric version supports DC fast charging up to 160 kilowatts, replenishing the battery from 10% to 80% in just over 30 minutes. Safety systems. Family safety is central to the C5 Aircross, which comes loaded with Citroën Safety Pack. Standard safety features include 6 airbags, electronic stability program, and active safety brake with forward collision warning. Drivers will appreciate the active lane departure warning and driver attention alert. Higher trims add adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, automatic post-collision emergency braking, and a high-resolution rear-view camera paired with front parking sensors for stress-free maneuvering. Variants and price. The C5 Aircross is structured into simple trim levels. The entry-level U, the mid-tier Plus, and the range-topping Max pricing remains highly competitive compared to rivals. In European markets, the range kicks off at approximately 30,500 pounds, around 36,500 euros, for the well-equipped mild hybrid. Upgrading to the plug-in hybrid or the electric EC5 Aircross bumps the price tag up, but Citroën compensates by packaging premium features and advanced comfort technology as standard. Pros and cons. On the positive side, the C5 Aircross sets the gold standard for comfort with its soft suspension and couch-like seating. Its flexible powertrains, massive electric range, and clever tech offer outstanding value. However, there are drawbacks. Enthusiasts will find the driving dynamics overly soft, with noticeable body roll and uncommunicative steering. Additionally, the mild hybrid's base engine can feel slightly sluggish under a heavy load on fast highway climbs, and its standard hybrid towing capacity is lower than some conventional rivals.